Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about the most beautiful and attractive handmade craft ideas that can inspire your creativity and a special touch to your home. If you love creative projects and enjoy making decorative items with your own hands, then this video is perfect for you. Handmade crafts are a wonderful way to turn simple materials into amazing creations. With a little imagination and creativity, ordinary items can become beautiful decorations that make your space look more unique and stylish. In this video, we will explore different handmade craft ideas that are easy, creative, and inspiring. These crafts can be used for home decoration, gifting, or simply as a fun activity to improve your creativity. One beautiful idea is creating decoration. Flower vases, old bottles, jars, or containers can be transformed into elegant vases with different designs and decorations. Adding flower or creative patterns can make these simple items look attractive and perfect for decoration tables and shelves. Another amazing craft idea is handmade wall decor. Creative wall hanging made with paper, rope, fabric, or recycled materials can bring life to empty walls. These decorations can give your home a fresh and artistic look. You can also create beautiful organizers or storage boxes by decorating simple boxes with colorful materials. You can make useful items that help keep your space neat while also adding beauty to your home. Handmade candle holder, photo frames, decorative trays, and small artistic pieces are also great ideas for adding charm to your home. The best part about DIY craft is that you can customize them according to your own style, favorite colors, and creativity. Crafting is not only about making beautiful things, it is also a great way to learn new skills and develop imaginations. Every project gives you a chance to experiment with new ideas that create something special. Many handmade crafts can also be created by using materials from around your home. Recycling old items and giving them a new purpose helps reduce waste and encourages creative thinking. The purpose of this video to share ideas, inspire creativity, and help you learn simple crafting techniques. Please note that this content is created for educational, informational, and learning purpose only. Our goal is to provide information and inspiration, creativity ideas that you can try in your own way. We hope these beautiful handmade craft ideas encourage you to start creating and exploring your creativity. Remember, even the simplest material can become something amazing when you add your imagination and effort. If you enjoy these craft ideas, creativities ideas, and home decoration inspiration, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Here you will find more interesting projects, creativity, inspiration, and learning content. So guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. Keep creating, keep learning, and stay inspired. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.